Wow, this place looks nice. I'm so hungry.
Me too. I could eat a whole cow right now.
Then maybe we should go to a farm, not a restaurant.
Very funny. Let's sit near the window. I like watching people eat.
That's weird, Tom.
No, it's research. I'm studying how people chew.
Okay, Mr. Scientist of Chewing, let's sit down before you starve.
Good evening. Here are your menus.
Thanks. Whoa, there are too many words.
It's just food, Tom. Read slowly.
What is quinoa salad? Is that an animal?
No, Tom. It's a healthy seed.
Oh no, I don't want seeds. I'm not a bird.
Would you like some help choosing, sir?
Yes, please. What's the biggest thing you have?
Our double beef burger with cheese and fries.
Perfect. I'll take 2.
2? You can't eat 2 burgers?
Watch me. I trained for this.
And for you, ma'am.
I'll have a Caesar salad and orange juice, please.
Salad? Really? Live a little, Sarah.
I'm trying to eat healthy. You should try it too.
Nah, my body is 70% burger, 30% fries.
That explains a lot.
Here you go. 1 Caesar salad and 2 double beef burgers with fries. Enjoy your meal.
Whoa, these burgers are huge.
Don't talk. Just eat before they run away.
This is amazing.
Careful, you're getting ketchup on your face.
Where?
Everywhere. You look like a tomato.
That means I'm healthy, right?
So, how's your new job?
Great, except my boss keeps calling me Tim.
Why?
Because I told him my name was Tom, but he misheard, and now it's been 3 months.
Just tell him.
It's too late. I even sign emails as Tim now.
Would you like dessert?
Maybe chocolate cake?
Yes, make that 2.
Tom, you just ate 2 burgers.
I'm not full yet. My stomach has a dessert section.
Fine. But you're paying.
Wait, what? I thought you were paying.
Nope. You're the one doing food research, remember?
Oh no, I should have studied how to pay the bill instead.
Here's your bill, sir.
Wow, this number looks like my phone number.
That's what happens when you order 2 of everything.
Next time, I'll order half a burger.
Or maybe just a photo of a burger. It's cheaper.
Yeah, but I can't eat the photo.
Good point, Chef Tom.
No. Call me Tim the Burger King.
You're impossible.
Wait, did you forget to subscribe to English Speakcast? Your support helps this channel grow and keeps me creating more helpful content every week.